Just like the title says, I'm going to be unboxing my new computer. I have my cheat sheet of everything that I have purchased here. I am super excited. This is a long time coming upgrade, going from my 2013 MacBook Pro to the 2023 MacBook Pro, even though it's late December. This is a late 2013, whatever, let's just call it 10 years, give or take. So the funny thing is like choosing your own death. So I ordered the new one with the old one, and it's like, it doesn't realize it's actually gonna be killing itself. The outgoing MacBook Pro is a late 2013 inch Retina display, 2.4 gigahertz dual Intel i5 processor with a whopping 8 gigabytes of memory. It's 1600 hertz DDR3, and the graphics on it is an Intel Iris with 1536 megabytes of VRAM. So the thing that I absolutely love about this, it has HDMI out, USB, it has a micro card slot. On this side it has FireWire, MagSafe, headphone jack, USB. Pretty cut and dry standard. I love this thing. 6 months after I got it, the trackpad stopped clicking. Apple took care of it. Like 3 or 4 years later, the thing wouldn't sit flat on a table because the battery had swollen. Replaced that, that lasted 6 months. Replaced it again, and it's been in there for several years now. No problems. But the new one, and I'm a huge believer in future-proofing when you buy a product. You pay more for it now so that you don't have to buy or upgrade sooner than what you should have. Because like the cost of that thing 10 years ago was a fraction of the cost of what this one was. This is 2000, well, it's brand new. It's a M3 Max Apple MacBook Pro. And I maxed it out. I bought everything I could with it. I didn't get the Final Cut. I didn't get the whatever, the music thing. I didn't get any of that, just the computer, because that's all I really need. I bought the M3 Max 16-core CPU, 40-core GPU upgrade, 16-core neutral engine. It has the 128 gigabytes of memory, 8 terabytes of storage, which if you go to Apple's website will calculate out to about almost $6,899 with tax and all that jazz. And I bought this too. This is the USB-C to USB adapter, because everything I have is USB except for one of my other things. Anyways, 7,300 bucks out the door. Extrapolate that over 10 years at $730 a year, which is kind of crazy because you can go buy pretty inexpensive PC for that or less, but will it do the job? Will that PC be relevant 2, 3, 4, or 5 years down the road? I don't know, probably not. I do some graphics with the distillery. I own a distillery. So there's a lot of artwork coming to me. I gotta send it out, change formats, this sort of thing. Basically, this computer's overkill for what I need. It's just that the 2013 is starting to show its age. So I think it's time to basically get into it. I've had this sitting on the shelf for the last like 2 weeks waiting to, you know, do a fun little video like this. And yeah, so let's go. This time I ordered the space black or space gray or whatever they call it. Oh, that looks nice. See that? I like how this folds out. That's pretty cool. The packaging's pretty solid. It's a double or triple walled cardboard to protect it on all 4 corners. Now the bottom is just single cardboard, and the top, which is weird, the bottom is single cardboard, but on the top they have these like reinforced pads. But I went with the space gray, which I heard is basically black this time, because I figured if I'm getting a new computer, I didn't want to get something that looked just like what I already had. So it looks like it's a nice solid box. Yeah, here I am complaining about the cardboard, and I'm wrapping my knuckles on the case. So there's 2 little idiot arrows here. Oh, here, I'll show you guys. I'll let you guys see. Oh, there we go. It's a nice, solid case for $7,300. It should give you the nice cardboard. It's like a felt thing on the inside. It's like kind of soft. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, so that pulls it up out of the, you have this here, you got this tab, it basically lifts the whole computer up. And then, ooh, that's nice. I wonder why they don't call these Macintoshes anymore. Mac is cool, it's hip. But growing up as a kid, they were always Macintoshes to me. That's nice. Honestly, for a 14-inch, not even, it actually feels smaller. I'm not gonna lie to you. It feels, oh my God. Well, I'm not complaining because I wanted a smaller computer. I didn't want the 16-inch. When I travel, if I travel, I don't travel that much. I'm not like super cool or nothing. This is the same size. I cannot stress this enough. It is the same damn footprint. Maybe the 2013 depth-wise like this is probably 3 or 4 millimeters smaller, but let me look at something. So on here, there's a black border all the way around, right? I mean, like a good 1/2 inch. So I actually thought it would be physically a little bit bigger. They have it all on Apple's website, so I could have just looked. Okay, designed by Apple in California. We get a wall charger. It's nice. And I think this is like 96 watts. Yep, 96 watts USB-C power adapter. And of course it's wrapped up in plastic. Let's see here. Sometimes I don't know if it helps, but sometimes I like to charge like my iPad. I like to charge it with a bigger block so that my phone. I like to charge my phone with the bigger block because it can feed it more power. I always personally think that it charges faster. Then we have the power cord, and unlike a plastic sheath cord that you're normally used to, this is like a flexible, it's number one, it's black, so that's cool. But it's like a cloth, like it's probably not cloth, it's probably some sort of synthetic material, but it seems really nice, really flexible. That's really nice. And I don't know if you knew this, but so the 2013 is MagSafe, right? You're sitting at the kitchen table and your freaking dog, and you got it plugged into the wall, and your stinking dog runs around there and hits that cord, you know, it'll come off. Well, I'm gonna shoot a second video after this one comparing some of the older computers like speed-wise. And we have a 2018, 2019 MacBook that my wife has, and they got rid of the MagSafe for a while, and it was the dumbest thing that Apple could have done for that time. MagSafe is so nice. You know, everybody has accidents, and you have your power cord plugged into USB-C, like when they got rid of it, and then all of a sudden your power cord's broke, or that port's broke, or something's breaking. So it's like a mere black Apple logo. Sorry, I didn't mean to get off topic. I apologize. So it's just weird to me that it's the same size. It looks without these next to each other, I would swear that this was dramatically smaller than the silver one, and it must be like a mental thing, because just black, it just looks smaller. Same height. Well, it's out of camera. Same height, roughly. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh, that's cool. If we could just figure out how to get this thing off. I open it up and it automatically turned on. Cool. I like that, unlike some of the other ones that have the touchpad right here, I was never a fan of that. Let's try the clicky. Yeah, I mean, seems typical. So here's what I'm thinking. That's basically it for unboxing. I don't like the fingerprint recognition. I bet that's what that is.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Anywho, let me get this set up. I'm gonna shoot another video comparing these ones here. I have this one, the new one, the 2013, like the 2018-19, whatever that is. And then I have a 2010 5.1 that's been modified. The 2010 is the one that I usually do my graphics on, but I'm so excited to get this because then I don't have to have two different computers to do all my graphic work, or my videos like this right here. This is gonna be edited on this computer. I'm so excited. So thank you so very much for watching. It was really nice unboxing this. I'm gonna go and just basically install the bare minimum software that I need in some of my files on here to have some fun. We'll be right back. So watch episode number 2 of this, and thank you so very much. Have a great day. Okay, I know a little bit more now, and I'd like to say that the screen Goes all the way out to the very edge with only probably an eighth to maybe 3/16 of a maybe, gosh, I don't know, good 3/16 of an inch all the way around the border, where with this here, you can see that plain as day, and that's a good, that's a good 1/2 inch. So that's where they make up the difference between the 13 inch and the 14 inch. I want to point out something that I think is really cool that I don't see in the new computers. Watch this. This right here. I know it's hard to see, but this logo right here is actually lit up. How cool is that? So like when it's nighttime, oh, let's see here. So hold on. Oh, there we go. See that? That's kind of hard to see. My screen went black, so then this goes out. So it's up now. But how cool is that? How cool would it be to have this be lit up? Like from a branding standpoint. So like from across the room, everybody just sees like a dark computer, and it just, see, the screen went out, so the light went out. You know, it's like, how hard is it to make this? Does it cost another 50 cents? I'd pay 50 cents. I'll probably pay 20 bucks to have a lit up logo. Does it do me any good? No. Can I see it from when I'm typing on my computer? No, unless I'm up against a mirror. But I just think that's one of those functions. Just checking out the thickness of the screen. I think that's just one of those little nuances, one of those little touches that sets Apple apart from some of the other ones. Now I know there's gaming computers and stuff out there that have lit up logos and stuff. It's like, so what? Make this screen like 2 or 3 millimeters thicker. I don't care, give me the lit up logo. I know like everybody's like, oh, small and compact. Like, oh, we want it as small as possible. Like in the grand scheme of things, for me, I set this on my desk, plug an HDMI into it. I use a big freaking monitor, and bing, bang, boom. End of the day, shut the lid, throw it in my book bag, take it home, do whatever, come back. Same thing, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. I think it looks cool when I'm walking outside and I'm coming up, because my desk is right next to the window, and like at nighttime when, you know, like you see this big Apple, like not big, but you see the Apple logo, it's all lit up. It looks cool. It looks cool. Come on, Apple. So I'm all set up here. I just have a couple more things to download, and on to video number 2.